In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up bereavement leave in Gusto. To get started, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're signed in with admin access, since standard employee access usually won't allow you to create or edit time off policies. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm you're on the main dashboard, so it's easier to follow along. Next, look over to the left sidebar and click Time and Attendance. This is where Gusto keeps the settings for time off policies, employee hours, and attendance-related options. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. The wording is usually very similar, and the policy tools are still located in this section. From there, click Add a Policy. This starts the process of creating a new time off policy for your team. Since you're setting up bereavement leave specifically, the next thing you'll do is click See More Policy Types. This expands the available options beyond the most common default policies. Now look for the bereavement policy type. If it's available in your version of Gusto, go ahead and select it. If you don't see it, choose to create a custom time off policy instead and name it bereavement leave. This is a good workaround and still lets you set up the leave the way your company needs it. After that, enter the policy name and decide whether the leave should be paid or unpaid. This choice depends on your company policy and any applicable legal requirements, so it's a good idea to be clear and consistent before saving anything. Next, configure the policy settings. This is the part where you'll define who is eligible for the leave, whether accrual applies, and any additional options Gusto gives you. In many cases, bereavement leave does not use accrual the same way vacation time does, but you should set it according to your internal policy. Take your time here, because these settings affect how the leave appears for employees and how it's tracked. Once everything is filled out, review the policy summary carefully. This is your chance to catch anything that may have been entered incorrectly, such as the policy type, pay setting, or eligibility details. A quick final review can help you avoid confusion later for both admins and employees. If everything looks correct, click Create Policy or Finish to save the bereavement leave policy. Once saved, the new policy should be available in your Gusto account for the appropriate employees based on the settings you selected. Thanks for watching.